How to stop text notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Notifications. Again, scroll down the list until you find Messages, and then tap on it. Now, turn off Allow Notifications at the very top of the screen. For complete silence, also turn off the critical alerts if it's not. Once this is done, you will no longer receive any form of notification for new text messages. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and also enhance your privacy. Following these steps, you can easily stop text notifications on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.